The Power of Hormones by Byrne demystifies hormones and how to manage them for better health. Food can act as medicine, and diet can correct many diseases and conditions, including hormone imbalances. Many women suffer for years without realizing their health issues are caused by a hormone imbalance. In fact, 1 in 3 women suffer from a hormone imbalance at some point in their lives. These imbalances cause infertility, lack of libido, mood swings, hair loss, acne, insomnia, weight gain or loss, digestive problems, and the list goes on. Hormones even cause depression and joint pain. Author Byrne looks at what causes these problems and offers a natural way to fix them in her book, Power of Hormones, Your Guide to Optimal Hormone Health. Hormones are a complex issue because we have so many different ones affecting us in different ways. That's why Byrne looks at the thyroid gland and problems with its imbalances. Adrenal chaos. Sex hormones. Obstacles to wellness. How to take care of your glands and hormones. Balanced lifestyle. The pancreas-diabetes connection. The leptin solution. Darkness hormone. Tips for positivity. In each section on a different imbalance, Byrne covers the basics of how that gland works, what the hormones do, different issues they cause, and detailed symptoms for different imbalances. This comprehensive guide covers hypothyroidism, Graves' disease, lumpy thyroid, primary and secondary adrenal insufficiency, estrogen issues, testosterone, menopause, supplements, and solutions. Food can act as medicine, and diet can correct many diseases and conditions, including hormone imbalances. The Power of Hormones teaches readers what to look for and how to improve their health naturally. Byrne's book poses the question, why suffer or pay for medication and doctor bills when you can get well through diet? For more information about the Power of Hormones, please click the link below.